for Dodge, Dodge truck, Jeep. Long life and easy replacement. Extends belt and accessory drive bearing life. Fit type. Vehicle specific. Most of today's vehicles use idler pulleys to assist in belt routing and tensioning within the accessory drive system. Air conditioning compressors, alternators, power steering pumps and water pumps are aided by the function of idler pulleys. All idler pulleys are of the highest quality and meet or exceed OE specifications. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. Solved my noise issues. I used this in a 96 Jeep Grand Cherokee with 5.2 LV8. The factory idler pulley had an intermittent whistling, whining noise. When I removed the belt, I could tell it didn't spin freely or smoothly. It felt like there was debris inside the bearings. Replacing it with this Hayden pulley solved the noise issue. After I got this new idler pulley, I compared it to the tensioner pulley and realized the tensioner pulley bearings were really loose, so I bought a tensioner pulley too. With both pulleys replaced, the engine noise noticeably decreased.